jingialang jong nongialam ka Congress kibawa na kaleng ka rilum kasi jantia ha kasingi palay kilapen sngo ba kim sultanat shuh ba ka party kanang beteng banya treilang bat ke NPP ha ka executive committee ha KHADC ya kanile thu hi da president ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress committee ba Vincent H Pala ha bakran bat kilat pathai kubor hadien ka jingialang ule thu ru ba hadien ka jingialang kinongialam na kaleng ki block kilapan pau ba kishania ha kinongialam ba kinshim yakarai kumno banyat shakmat yakakam.
The mood of our workers that we should go alone in this council, and the mood of our workers, they also entrusted the president and his team to examine it clearly what are the pros and cons. So overall the mood is that they are not happy with the way which the NPP is doing, the way which is happening in the council. So most of them, they think that we should withdraw from the council, and Bapanchkan has assured them that we have a system, we are a national party, we cannot just walk in and walk out. We have a system, you have to see the pros and cons. Number one is the interest of the public has to be taken in consideration. So we have told them, so majority of them, they trust us and they leave the matter to us. You may be right, but you know, when we took a decision with a good intention that we should contribute for the amendment of the sixth schedule, we should not allow only on the NPP and the BJP to dictate terms. We have a very experienced politicians in the district, Panchkan and his team, at that time MLAs and all. We said that we should not allow BJP and the NPP to take decision whatever they like. That is our intention. But that stage is almost gone, and also the delimitation of the district council and many other things which we need to contribute, because at that time there was a big issue between the NPP and the UDP. So the public, especially the people of Meghalaya, the people of KHADC and Jingialang should have been left unattended if you don't participate. So our intention is not to make anything, our intention is to contribute for the welfare of the people. So it may be, you may say that it may be late, but our intention was that we are not a party where we just be under pressure by anybody. We should scrutinize, we should examine, and we should also see that the priority is to defend our people, to protect our people and preserve our culture and preserve our land, preserve our unity. That's what we think.